Welcome to the Island 12 channel. This is the channel where we talk about how you can build wealth if you are living on an island. This is the fastest way to build wealth if you are on an island. My name is Ronnie Calmera and I'm the host of this channel. And today I want to talk to you about why I built this channel. I built this channel because I'm living on an island myself, the beautiful island of Curacao in the Caribbean, and I've seen that many people ask me, many of my students ask me, how can we build wealth if we are living on an island? What are the options? Can we invest in something like real estate, stocks? Can we invest in cryptocurrencies? What are the options if you are living on an island? So if you are living on an island, this is the best channel, the best and fastest way. My background is economics. I've been studying money, United States economy, Chinese economy for the last 25 years. And I'm doing that for my trainings, my courses, my programs. And I'm doing that also as an investor. So let me talk to you about one way to invest if you are living on an island. One way that you don't actually need the banks, you don't need a lot of capital, you don't need a lot of money savings. You can start very small. You can start with actually $27. And this is not my own investment. This is just not financial advice. It's for educational purposes and entertainment purposes only. So if you are living on an island, and you have only $27 and you want to invest this for your kids, for the next generation, what are your options? Can you buy a stock with $27? Can you buy a real estate with $27? Can you buy a business with $37? What about that? Ask me, answer the question in the channel, in the chat, and I will be checking that. So let's move to the investment today. Remember, this is for educational purposes only. You have to check your own financial advisor. And I don't know your situation. Let's look at the investment for today. So it's not what you thought, right? Here is coinmarketcap.com, which is a site where you can see a lot of cryptocurrencies. And the top investment I want to discuss today is Bitcoin. Now Bitcoin, you see here, the price is $28,000. But you don't have to invest $28,000. You can actually invest $27 or $28 because you can buy a piece of Bitcoin. So if you have $28, you can invest $28 in Bitcoin, buy Bitcoin, a share, a piece of Bitcoin, because this is one Bitcoin, but this is, you can divide this into 100 million. So you can buy a 100 million Bitcoin, which is a sat. One Bitcoin is 100 million sats. You can buy 1,000 sats. You can buy 100,000 sats. You can buy 10,000 sats. So what has the price of Bitcoin been doing? Last 1 hour, it was 1% positive. It grew with 1%. Last 24 hours, 2%. Last 7 days, 4%. This is very important. Here you see the circulating supply. So with money, US dollars, or the dollars on your island, or the currency on your island, there is an infinite supply. So the central bank in your country and the central bank in the United States can print unlimited amounts of dollars. When they print the amount of dollars, dollars that you are holding in your hands get depreciated. Because if they have, say, $30 trillion and they just print $5 trillion, then you holding that dollar will get less for your money, because the total amount of dollars has become much more. Although Bitcoin, there will only be 21 million. That's one of the features of Bitcoin. 21 million, nobody can change that because it is the code. It is in the software program, nobody can change that. I'll be telling you in a future episode why nobody can change that. But there will only be 21 million Bitcoins, and we have 19.5 million Bitcoins already there. So we are about 1.5, let's say 1.5 billion, 1.5 million Bitcoins still need to be created. And every 10 minutes, Bitcoins are created. So if we click on this, you can see the better chart. Let me ask you a question. If we click on the 1 month, you see the price. What has the price done in 1 month? 9.4% has the price grown. Of course, it can also go down, but the last month it has grown with 9%. So now your salary, has your salary grown with 9% during the last month? Your savings on the bank, if you're living on an island, your savings, have they grown with 9%, 9.5%? Your if you have a business, your sales, have the sales grown with 9%, 9.5%? No, probably not. Your value of your villa, if you have invested in a villa, has it grown with 9.4% during the last month? No. Now let's look at the longer period, 1 year. You see, 1 year, the last 1 year, Bitcoin grew, the value grew with 39, almost 40%. So you see, this is, although it is very volatile, it goes up and down, but the last years it has increased. The trend is up, because if you look at this trend, you see that the trend is up. There was a peak there, but the trend is still up. And look at the percentage. This is an amazing increase. So even if we go last year, if you put in $100, it would have increased with 39%. If you had put in $1,000, it would have grown with 390%. So Bitcoin is an option. So let me finalize this episode today, because I want to keep it short, and tell you something about joining our community. If you want to build your wealth on an island, if you want to move to an island, if you want to build your wealth, then you can join our community for free by going to www.bit.ly/islandwealth, and you will see a form over there. You can put your name, your email, and your location, because I want to know what island you are in. And in the future, you will also be able to add your question. Add your question, subscribe, add one question. What is the biggest challenge you have right now with building wealth, with saving for yourself, for the future, etc.? What is the biggest challenge you have right now? So that's it. You can join our community, and Beyond the Island channel episodes, which are done every week, I will be giving you tips. I will giving you opportunity, if you join, to follow our programs where we go more into detail about building wealth. We talk to you step by step how to do that. We tell you also how to analyze the world, because it's a very complex world where they are printing money all over the place. There are many stories, and you need to do your analysis. You need to be on top of your game. So that's it for this episode. Thank you very much. See you next time. Let me go offline right now. Thank you very much. My name is Rudy Calmera, and don't forget to join our community. Like and subscribe. Thank you very much.